Aloha mai kako! Mahalo for hanging out with me today for Heluhelu and Mele. Today we'll be sharing this book, Kohukohu, and it translates to animal sounds in the Hawaiian language. And it's a super fun book that was written by Kimo Armitage and Lilia Wahinemaikaʻi Hale, and it was illustrated by Richard Kupihea Romero. Let's read it together. E Heluhelu kako. I am a parrot. My name is Kohukohu. Aren't my feathers beautiful? Hey children, look at me. I'm going to introduce you to my friends. Oh, 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 oh. Let's say it together. Oh, 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 oh. This rooster has a loud voice. His name is Hale. This is my friend. Her name is Hau'oli. She is a white cow. What kind of sound does she make? Moo. Let's say it together. Moo. This is a lazy cat. Her name is Maile. What kind of sound does she make? Oh wow. Let's say it together. Oh wow. This spotted dog is a guard dog. His name is Maka'ala. What kind of sound does he make? Awa. Let's say it together. Awa. When he's hurt, what kind of sound does he make? He whimpers. Let's say it together. Nah. When he's tired, what kind of sound does he make? He pants. Let's say it together. There are many sheep. Their wool will be sheared. What do their voices sound like? Ma. Let's say it together. Ma. This donkey is carrying twigs on her back. Her name is Hananui. What kind of sound does she make? Ho ho. Say it together. Ho ho. This pig is fat. His name is Nunui. Hey Nunui, how does that slop taste? What kind of sound does he make? Let's say it together. This owl has large eyes. Her name is Makanui. She's looking for food. What kind of sound does she make? Ke'u. Let's say it together. Ke'u. Look at this beautiful bird. It is a peacock. His name is Kunani. My feathers are more beautiful than his feathers, aren't they? What kind of sound does he make? Oh! Let's say it together. Oh! Great! Until we meet again. Aloha! Ahuiho! Oh, that was a really fun book. Pipi holoka'au. Now it's time to do our mele. E hele mai. Now it's time to sing our Mele. This is a really fun song that helps you to practice your spelling for different animals and the Hawaiian words for these animals. It's called CAT, Popoki makes a cat. Makoko? CAT, Popoki make a cat. RAT, Iole make a rat. MONKEY, Kekeko make a monkey no keia. DOG, Ilio make a dog. PIG, Pua'a make a pig. DONKEY, Kekake make a donkey no keia. GIRL, Kaika mahine. BOY, Keiki Kane, OLD, MAN, Elema Kule makes an old man. Haina ia mai ana kapuana la, my country 'tis of Hawaii ne. HAWA, I Okina I spells Hawaii. Haina hope. Haina ia mai ana kapuana la, my country 'tis of Hawaii nay. Hawaii, Okina I spells Hawaii. Aloha.